Good morning. How are we? How am I doing? Hey, Rizlock. Yeah, I'm doing good. Thank you. Thank you. You doing all good? Yes, had a very good day yesterday. Very productive. Even for the server, for uni, a whole bunch of stuff. How are you? How are you though, Rizlock? And anyone else who's here? Fantastic. Yes, fantastic indeed. That's what we like. Good days. All we want around here. Alright. So, as I said offline, I got the bullseye lanterns and the empty in the empty oil lamps sort of working. You put the swamp tar into you refine some of it and it takes it from you, and then you fill your lamp. Oh, apparently that one doesn't work. This one does though. That one went from empty to full, so the other one will make sure it works. Anyway, get the music going in the background. All good, finished work and back to normal life of stream watching. Hey, nice. Something's wrong with that one. That's an easy fix, and Ender just gave me so all it was is very basic code. So if they're using swamp tar on it, and it isn't already full, then we take the swamp tar and refine it. Then when you use a bullseye lantern, an empty oil lamp, or an oil lantern, it'll give you the other one. So that's pretty simple. Very simple. Very simple code. Alright, so today we're gonna go to Iraq, and we are going to import the estate agent. So when you're wanting to buy a house for construction, this is the dialogue for that. So to do here for purchasing house. Alright, so we want to get rid of dial option 16, so it's me dropping my coins. And also text 15 dialogue. So this shouldn't be too hard. We've already got a lot of it done. Well, enjoy your player-owned cardboard box or whatever you're going to sleep in tonight. Jesus Christ, this guy's ruthless. You don't buy a house from me, it's gonna make you sleep in a cardboard box. Alright. So this is our no buy, and this is our buy. Don't want that. Let's see. That's the wrong one. What am I doing? So we go to buy one.
Speeding across the country in someone else's car, keeping a book of secrets and taking it too far. When we were
Getting this all wrong.
skipping some details and we would break all the windows.
It's in the temp. In the damn temp. Any other plans today, Rezlark? Again, we'll only be live for an hour before I again have meetings today, but tomorrow we have off, so we can definitely do a lot tomorrow. Alright, so we need to create a dialogue 18. So we get rid of this and this, this and this, and this. Alright, so if you have 1,000 coins, E18. Alright, so yeah, if you have 1,000 coins, set open chat PL to D6, set open chat PL to D18. Otherwise, he says you don't have 1,000 coins, blah blah blah. And then here is where we want to private static void purchase house. So here we go. This. If you don't have 1,000 coins, return. And then here is where the magic will happen. So we have to set up a basic house with just a portal, right? So we need to go to construction info. So this is very important because public void purchase house. So player owned house, new player house, which requires an owner, so PL, and then a size of default of 3. And then we get the new house. And we set the 0, 1, 1. So this is the middle of the house. So we need some room data. So for room data. Room data. And this will be a garden. New room data, and to do that, so room type of garden, and a rotation of none. And we can set that to that. So now we can get garden, get storage, and we can set the centerpiece to the portal. And then we can call new house dot update portal. and this dot player owned house is equal to new house. So then over here we do get type construction, which we don't have. So in the API for construction, so we go to construction info, we copy this under skills for construction. Construction, source main Java, iConstruction info. Cool. We do a abstract void setup. Nice. What's it called? Purchase house, sorry. And then we can go here and we can add skill construction. Life is life. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. What have you been drinking, Ender? Huh? What have you been drinking? Just come in here and you think you can say that? Huh? I'm kidding, I'm kidding. Doing good, Ender? Thanks for the stuff earlier. Means I'm able to finish one of my things. Right, now we can do it. So pl.getType iConstruction. API skill. Why do this to me? API. That's my bad. Here we go, and then we can do purchase house. And then what we'll do is, if this dot player owned house doesn't equal null, return. So you can't accidentally buy nothing. And delete your order. Cool. Good stuff. How you fucking think I stay alive? I don't know, Ender. You're a mysterious being. Alright, and then after you purchase a house, we want the dialogue for that. So tell me what the skill cape you're wearing. Da, 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 da. Tell me about houses. But I have the construct. So this one here has a little interesting interaction. So we just add that ourselves here. To do. Just create D15. You've already got one, that's fine. Could you move my house, please? We need to do that. And can you redecorate my house, please? That also needs to be done. Boom. Alright, and then we need to create the guy himself. So, for example, not all three. Is there any of these guys? So, like, try. What is Romeo. So we'll copy Romeo to an estate agent. And we'll have buy and house. There's new estate agent buy equals new estate agent house. This guy's not. Oh, this guy's in multiple places, right? You can talk to him in multiple places. But he's not actually in Varrock. Alright, so we're moving up to multi. Dialogue. Move it up to multi. Cool. So if pl.getType I construction info.class.get. So we just want a boolean has house. Dot has house else. So set open dialog pl house. Yeah, I mean like nothing that tried to kill me was able. It is invincible. Believe it. Alright. Hey Froggy, you're early. You wake up early just to see me. Froggy's on time. Yeah. Be here for another 40 minutes. And we gotta go to another meeting. But as I said, tomorrow will be popping. Stream for like, I think we did it last week. We streamed for like 4 or 5 hours or something. That's pretty good. Yes, sir. Alright. So where's the other... There's other locations. So you can have Remington or Taverley. So how do you move your house? And it costs a certain amount, right? Cost to move. So those are the locations. You start working like 2 hours, so I won't see half the stream. Tomorrow, I am. That's alright. That's okay. So this house location needs to... Huh. Thought I need it to be... Got nothing to do with these. Are these that? Alright, well, I mean, this can be in API. Okay, so what do you need it for? Angela. I guess. I feel like I must. I did not want to be. I did not want to do that. You must hug a Regordi ender. Oh, Froggy. You will see half of it, so that's fine. Yes. Where is Regordi? Get him. Wake him up. How are we gonna do this then? Because... Ah, we can just do this. void open what's it called? Open location inventory and a open style inventory. And this can just do it for us. Kablam. Just like that. Alright, so a location inventory extends open items of a construction location. House location? And then we want to add the portal, I think, would be a cool one. So let's look at the centerpiece of the garden and we'll grab the exit portal. So item stack. Put a name and true. We return that, and then we return select house location. He's in game, but is he awake? Sometimes people just AFK, it's pretty funny. Alright, so house locations need a private int cost. Alright, so Remington's 5,000. And Tavily is also 5,000, so that's not bad. Do we have any of the other locations? Gate Corinne, Relica, Brimhaven, Yanil? No. Okay, that's cool. That's fine. And then we just turn add item stack check color dot. So boolean has is equal to construction items dot coins dot contains house location dot get cost. So if you have the money, has check color dot green house red plus house location get cost plus GP coins. Then this one, house location, we just need to nicely do that name. So private string name. This dot name is equal to word utils dot capitalize name lowercase. Get name. Boom. Just like that. Then on click, we just need to do this, but with the true. So it'll take the money from you, return. We also need to make sure the player-owned house So if that is null, or if the house location is already the same house location, we return. Then we take the money and player own house dot set house location to the house location. Then we just go in here, our newly added okay, I'm hyper. Be right back. You going for a run Ender or something? And then we want to do the same for a style. So we have a house style, house design, house designs. Yeah, so we still need to do. So when you have a house design, you can like I need to do like isn't there requirements to have some of them? Cozy cabin, just to be fastidious. Okay, so I've added all the ones that don't require. Okay, that's fine. You're the exact opposite of Hyper. He's fallen asleep. Maybe if the house design had a material data get display. That means all of these need a display. So if the Fremenic, oh, I can't remember. Oh yeah, so we'll use the wall type, so dark oak planks. Stone brick. Stone bricks. This is oak planks. Cobble. Cobblestone. What's the other two areas? White wool. Last but not least, instone. And there we go. So then, instead of a location, we want a house style image. Maybe I'll note a house location. And then this will be a house design. And then we'll have a string name, a getter for the name, and a this.name is equal to a word, capitalized fully, name, two lowercase dot replace all underscores with spaces. And then we'll get house designs, get design, get display. Then it needs a cost as well, so we already have a cost. House designs, get cost. Put an X. Just do GP. So. Alright, select house style. Is it style or design? House style. This is cool designs. Change it to style. house styles.
We can turn the page over and over. Don't you know what you've
Styles.
Don't you feel when
Style. Oh, it's gonna take a while.
am I made of glass? You look right through me, shouting but you hear
Style.
with every touch I start to shatter. Tell me, don't you know?
Alright, and then house styles versus used. Alright, cool. Z. It's our style. No. It's too high, but I cannot sleep. It's alright. Ugh. Cannot stop it, sorry. I was like, what? Okay, so I should all just work. If we spawn an NPC, it should be able to change our house. Ready, boys, to see construction. Alright, so let's go to the construction command. And we're just going to squeezes the left froggy. And what we're going to do here is we're going to do a style command. And here to get info. Get type I construction. We're gonna open the style inventory. And then this one we're gonna location. Ooh. And then I wanna do like a visit. I wanna be able to visit other people. Which should be coming. Fuck. Fuck. I was in the wrong branch for doing this. No. Stash. Construction. Dashes. Keep the changes. Apply the stash. Your branch is ahead of Origin construction by 5 commits. Use git push.
Got me feeling anxious lately. Where's this pressure coming from to be something I'm not? I will never be
Puppy cradle death syndrome? What?
you want me to be. I'll never be a step away for another big queen. So
Alright, well, I'm just gonna have to apply this back to a page presentation. Oh, I applied the wrong one. Conflict. Instruction command.
Stop apologizing for the things I can't control. Instead of putting myself
Cool.
down and playing a quiet
Yeah,
role.
that should work.
Feeling like a bird that's flying. No one's stopping me from trying. No more pressure from inside to be something I'm not. I'm no longer gonna hide or make myself look small. I'll never be a trophy wife or another Barbie doll. So I'll stop pretending. So maybe, just maybe, I'll just be me.
What's wrong here? Bandit's chat gone to shit. What are you guys up to? For this? Bro, what's that going to? In it, that's fine. Oh. Ah. Alright, yeah, that's fine now. Stupid merging. Alright, there we go. Nothing, boss, don't worry about it. What are you boys up to in chat? What are you boys doing? Alright, so let's not have some problems. Alright, we stop the server. Wait for this to finish. We'll be done. Oh, who's excited for construction? I know I am. Snitching again. You can't wait to be poor. But you have an amazing house to show for it. So, how can you complain, you know? Bing! Alright. What am I doing? Do I even get to show it off? Wait, can people not visit you? Yeah, I guess I gotta be careful about some of this stuff, eh? Like the reward chest. From the... Like, make sure an Ultimate Iron Man can't claim the reward from it, for example. I don't see why, pretty sure Ironman can't use others' houses. Yeah. Be something to look out for. Should be easy though. Bro, are you really gonna do that to me? Let me in! What? I clicked on that. Yeah, make it so normal Iron Man can't do shit, but Ultimate Iron Man is completely fine. So if we do construction style, oh, right. It's not initializing it with something to get. Not bad. Good. 100% just spawn me in. I'm in a max house for testing purposes. Alright, and then we need to go back to the agent. Get type construction info dot class dot open house location and open house open style. Get to your no bank in the corner. Yeah, I'll spawn you in a max house, don't worry. Just hit me up with that $5 on PayPal. You're good. Ah, shit. $5 for a max house. What a bargain! Whoa! I'm kidding. Street cat. He said it. Damn it, bandit. People gonna know now. I'm kidding. Everyone knows that. Now it's loading up again. I really hate having to reload, which is a better way. Or restart, just to be faster. You can probably modular it to separate jar files and then just reload the jar file. But, yeah. Actually worked quite well, because like, there's a whole bunch of registry methods. Just override the old ones. Alright. Cool. So, construction style. Ooh. Ooh, baby. Alright, so how do we do this? So if we go so currently it's basic wood. If we have a whole bunch of coins, this is baked. So the whole thing is... I would have to leave and rejoin. And then it would change style. Make sure you send us screen caps of all the stars so you can prove checking before we purchase. Alright, okay, I see what you mean. So currently I'd have to do that. It's not ideal. I really like this one. Currently the grass doesn't change, but... No, it's because it's a thing called baking in code where you it's like set and you gotta clear it. Sadly, in Cobble version keeps Cobble as floor. Keeps Cobble as floor. What, this one? What's the floor meant to be? It's meant to be like a different type of stone, but I don't know if we had anything, because the floor's like a brown. A browny brick, which we don't really have, right? Let's use like some sort of granite. Use like granite. Would you be okay with granite instead of cobble floor, so it looked like that. It looks a bit, I guess it's not the brown brick they have, but it's better. I mean, we can go for the polished granite as well. Actually, that could fucking do. I'll choose this one. Yeah, it's meant to be like dirt floor, right? So... But it's currently jungle plants. I thought that sort of more matched the correct, like, color. I don't know. Also, matching it color-wise, I'm not sure if it fully matches. Is that chair floating? Yeah, it is. But yeah. We can definitely change it. But first we need to make sure it updates. Because you won't be in your house when you change style. You'll be at the real estate agent, right? So this is only for like development purposes. We want it to like sort of update instantly. Means I'm using tickets from old school or RS3. Old school. If I went to the estate agent and I sort of looked at like pictures there. So it has like a style, walls, floor, walls, outside, ground texture, dungeon walls, and the floor. So they sort of have like differing styles. Those are the RS3. Yeah, they sort of have the same page on the old school wiki. This is one I was using. Which is a little closer for it. Yeah, well, the thing about our resource pack is, obviously we can do more than old school can. But old school sort of, yeah, got that, yeah. Alright, so if we do the style now and we change it to like fancy stone. It's like it's not resending me the chunk.
Baby, give me a second.
If I relogged.
'Cause our energy's changing.
Is the fuck?
This ain't just a game, I think you feel the same. This feels like something more. 'Cause when you find something real, you gotta hold on. Otherwise, what's it for?
I mean, we can always change it as feedback from the community.
I'm too proud to beg you to stay. I don't wanna share you with anyone.
I'm not sure why it's
Okay. I think you're perfect. You're a perfect fit. Just don't break my heart. It's my only
not working.
rule. I don't mind being teased a little bit, but please don't make me play the fool.
It's only a block template, yeah. It's very easy to make these. To change it from one block to the next is really simple. But why it isn't updating is a mystery to me. Code's there. We can make it update instantly, but that's not ideal. Maybe it only updates if the chunk has changed, I don't know. Palette? I guess I haven't had. Oh, yeah. Template. Yeah, well, it's a template and a palette, so the roof is like a template, right? The so the roof can change style. It's not like set to one specific roof style. And then there's a palette for the block types that it sets it to. So we can have either. So it's a bit of both. The rooms we can't really change the style of. Like the layout, like 2 wide doorways and stuff. I thought it completely disappeared for a second. I was like, what the fuck? Oof. Probably want to do that. Make it spike up. Change it like that on the fly, but I don't think that affects the server. Have a look. Yeah, that barely affects the server. It's just client-side lag. But yeah, you can definitely get some very nice styles though. And then we can have more than what old school has. Should be cool. Hey, look how simple that is. You just like, ooh. I just don't want it to refresh. I want it to, like, on the Patreon world. I don't want it to do on the... I don't know. Maybe we just make it so people have to relog, rejoin. It's not that big of an issue, but now it's great. Yeah, I can put a little thing in. It's fine. So it's very simple. Like I just do this. It's not too bad. But yeah. What do you think? What do you think, Froggy? What style do you want? I want this one, honestly. And if I can make the grass like actually sand or whatever. I'll see on that. Nah, you'll pick the one you want and then from pictures and then you'll pretty much stay with that one probably. This is probably my favorite style. Oh shit, the time. So that'll be fuck. That'll be us for today. Thank you, Froggy, for joining. End it. Rizlot. All we've had today, that's fine. We're doing short streams, but tomorrow we'll do a longer one. I like the cast of it, isn't it? But it doesn't have the full trim. I'm not sure what you mean. Like the castle, like this one, but with the fancy stone. Is that what you mean? You want like a castle style. Okie dokie, see you tomorrow. Yeah. I'm not sure what it looked like in old school. I think I went through like some pictures somewhere, and I thought it looked like this from old school. I'm not sure if it actually does or not. But as I said, like the feedback from the community will fix it or whatever. So anyway, till tomorrow. Be us. We didn't get Xanaris done today, but we got what we wanted in construction done, so that's good. Anyways.